Students, welcome once again to the Owl Academy of Education. In today's video, we are going further in ICSE class 7th Selena Math Unit 4, that is decimal exercise 4th B, right? Thanks for your support and a lot of love towards our channel and earlier videos, right? Your support, like, comments and share are our energy and help and act as energy booster for us. You have done exercise 4A in our earlier video. Now we are moving to exercise 4th B, that is related to addition and subtraction of decimals. Addition and subtraction of decimals. Now, first of all, we will start here addition. For addition, first step is convert all decimals into like decimals, right? Second is set the decimals of the given numbers under each other. Third step, add them like whole numbers, right? And then put decimal. That is understood. Now we are starting here with direct exercise 4th B. Question first. Part 1 solution. Now they have given to add 9.67 and 15.98. we have to add it. For that, see they are like decimals or not. Prior decimals, here 1 digit, 2 digits. We can take bigger number first and smaller number. We have to add it. For that, here 2 digits, after decimal 2 digits, okay. Before decimal, here 1 digit, here are 2 digits. So we have to make it 2 digits so that you don't get confused. Now this is simple. 7 plus 8 15, 5 1, 9 plus 1 10, 16 1, 9 plus 1 10, 15 1, 1 plus 1 2. Decimal 1 under the other, each other. So here answer will also in the same pattern, right? Second, do your yourself. Second part is your homework. In the third, we have to add we can take 18.794 above, as it is carrying 3 decimal places, right? Now 35.67, now 31.82, last of all 4.9. now convert them into like decimals. Here 3 decimal places, here 2 decimal places, make it 3. Here 2 decimal places, make it 3. Here 1 decimal place, make it 3 by putting zeros. Here 1, make all are 2, make it 0 before the digit, right? Now adding is simple. 4, 7 plus 2 9 plus 9 18, 1, 7 plus 1 8, 6, 14 plus 8 22 plus 9 31, 3. Here 4 plus 1 5, 5 5 10 plus 8 18 plus 3 21, 1. Here 2, 3 3 6 plus 1 7 plus 2 9, right? No need to panic, just like other whole numbers, addition of whole numbers. Now part 4th is your homework. Do it yourself, right students? Now move on to question number 2 here, which is related to subtraction of decimals. Now here addition, we will make it subtraction, right? Process is same, decimals same. Now here instead of add, we will do subtract. Question 2 is related to subtraction, part first, solution. Now subtract 2.975 from 8 point. When you are given from, you have no choice, you have to subtract this from this. So put this above 8.23 and this below 2.975. You can not set bigger or smaller number of your own, you have to go by the sum as given. So where here we put minus, here are 3 decimal places, here are 2, we make them 3. Right. Now students, you have learned in the previous classes subtraction in this way, we make it bigger and in the traditional way. Here are questions given with both functions simultaneously, plus and minus, right? For that you have to do this subtraction in our method, right? What is that? See, here it is 5, here it is 0. We can't subtract 5 from 0, so 0 is smaller, this is bigger, we have to make this 0 bigger. For making this bigger, we have to put 0, the number with 0, immediate 0, that is 5, bigger number with immediate 0 on its ones place, right? Is it 6? No. 7? No. 8? No. 10? 9? No. 10? Yes. 10 is immediate. How much we have given it? We have given it 5. So we put 5 here. 5 plus 5, 10. Right. Now this one, as we have given it, when we give it, we add it in the minus. 1 minus 7, 7 minus 7 plus minus 1, that is minus 8. Minus 8, here are 13, here are 3, we make it number with immediate number with ones place as 3, that is 13, we put 13 here. Now 7 plus 1, 8, again minus 8, we have to make it bigger. How much we have given? We have to given 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13, we have given 5, right? Now again it is smaller, we have to make it bigger. Here we have given 1, 3, we have given 1, 2, 3, that makes 13, so that one is added in it. 9 plus 1, 10. 10, here it is 2, bigger, we have to make it bigger, right? For that ten bigger, 10 plus 1, 2, 12, right? Here again we have given 1, that will be added in this. 2 plus 1, 3. Now 3 minus 3 is smaller, 8 is bigger, that is not problem. 8 minus 3, 5. That is our answer, right students? Do the subtraction in our way, you will not feel any problem while doing addition and subtraction simultaneously. Now this was first part. Second part, do your own. Second is your homework. Now we will move on to third. Third is 11.26 minus 6.054. Always remember, you have to put point below point. If you have understood this, you will never go wrong in decimals, right? Here are 3 decimal places, here are 2, make them 3. Now again this is 4, this is 0, this is 0, this is 4, we can't subtract 4 from 0, bigger from smaller, so we have to make this smaller bigger. So how bigger? We will see which number is having 0 immediate number having 0 as units digits, that is 10, bigger than 4. Okay, now we this is 4, this is 10. How much we have given it? 4 plus 6, 10. We have given it 6 to make it 10. Now when we are giving, we are minusing, we are minus, subtracting, right? So this will go here, minus 1. This is 6. Now 6 here, 6 here, no problem. 6 minus 6, we can 0. Here we have not given anything, we have not taken anything, so here it is bigger. 2 minus 0, 2, no problem. Now here this is bigger, this is smaller, we have to make 11 minus 6, 5. This was straight, no problem. Now we will move on to fourth part, that is 201.3 minus 134.68 minus, make it like decimal by putting 0. Now this here is 8, here is 0, again bigger, here smaller, we can't subtract bigger from smaller, we have to make smaller bigger. Immediate 0 by 10, 8 plus 10, 2. This is 1 we have given, so it is added in the minus. 6 plus 1, 7. Here 3, here 7, so we have to make it bigger by putting unit digit 3, 13. 7 plus 6, 13. Now here again we have put 1 here, given 1 here, add it here, 4 plus 1, make it bigger with 11. 4 plus, here this is 5, this is 11, 4 plus 1, 5, we will go to 6. Again 1 here, 3 plus 1, 4, this is 1, here 10. How much we have given to make this 4 into 10? 6. This will added here, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. This is our answer, right? So this was our second question. Now we will move on to the third. Here he is saying take out 6.345 from 8.1. So this is of subtraction from 8.1 6.345. We will subtract it to take it out from 8.1. Here 3 digits, here 1, make them like by putting 2 zeros. So again bigger, smaller, make it bigger by having with number with units place 10. Immediate number is 10. How much we have given? 5 plus 5. Now we as we have given, add it in minus. 4 plus 1, 5. Here again 0, 10. Here again 0, 10. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Right? Now again given 3 plus 1, 4. Here make it bigger with immediate units place as 1, 11. How much we have given? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 to make 11, 7. 4 to make 11, 7. Right? Again the given 1 will be added here. 6 plus 1, 7. So 8 minus 7, 1. So we have to take out 6.345 from 8.1. Answer will be this. Right? Now question 4. Question 4 is, what is the difference between 6.8 68.5 and 0.685? Difference between, simple, put bigger number on the above and smaller below. You have to keep in mind decimal below decimal. This is the only funda you can do it. Then make them like by putting 0. Here you can also put 0. Right? Now minus, again bigger smaller, here 10, 5 plus 5 10. Now we have given 1, add 1 here, 8 plus 1 9, make it bigger with 0 10, 9 plus 1 10. Again this here bigger smaller, put 7, make it bigger 15. 6 plus 1 7, how we have given 7 plus 8 15. Right, now add it here, 0 plus 1, 8 minus 1 7, 6 minus 0 6. This is your answer. Right. Now question number 5, solution is, what is saying, what is excess of 90 over 53.865? Excess of 90 over so 90 is bigger, 90.0, there 53.865. we have to do the subtraction, minus 0, make it like by putting zeros. Again we will have to make 10, 5 plus 5 10, again 10, 1 will be added here, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 10, again added here, 8 plus 1 9, how we have given 1 1. Now again 3 plus 1 4, again here 10, how much we have given, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 10, again add here, 5 plus 1 6, 9 minus 6 3. This is question number 5. Question number 6 is also of subtraction, homework subtraction. Do it yourself. Question number 7. This is subtraction. Question number 6. Yes. Question number 7 is, what should be added, that is what should be subtracted from. This is also your homework. Subtraction, bigger, 91 minus 63.47. right. Now question number 8. Here Manish buys a rupees 8.75 metro ticket with a rupees 20 note. How much money does he get back? So solution, total money given equal to rupees 20 and price of ticket equal to rupees 8.75. Here we will also put point here, make it like decimal and do minus. Here we will put money he get back is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 5, again make it bigger, 10. This one is added here, 7 plus 1 8, 10 minus 8 2, This will be added here. 8 plus 1 9, here 10 9, or we can do 20 minus 9 11. You will get is 11.25, right? So next is also simple, question number 9. This is your homework. Now question number 10. This is the real question which I want to you to do this in one step. Question 10. This is simplify. Right, part first is written as like this in your math. Students, there are two methods to do this. One is first add this is of plus, this is plus, add them, the result you get, from that subtract this, right? Or in our way you can do this, put 67 here, 13.85 here, and 29.904 here. First of all, make them like decimals, 3 places, 2 places, no place, put decimal yourself and make them 3 places. This is of plus here, this is of minus. You can do it in one step, right? Now this is minus, this is plus, this is plus. So we have to move with both these two. This is above, right? This is 0, this is minus 4, right? Now this is minus 4, 0 no value, this is 0. So this is minus 4, this is 0. We have to do the subtraction. So this is bigger, this is smaller, this is bigger. We have to make this bigger. Make this bigger. This is 4, this is 0. Immediate number with 0 units, 0 as units place is 10. We will put 10 here. How we have to add in 4 to get 10? 6. 4 plus 6, 10. Now here you have to keep one thing in mind. As we have given it, so this is of minus, so it will added in minus. So 0 plus 1 1, okay. Minus 1 plus 5, we will do it here. 5 plus 5 minus 1 plus 5, 5 minus 1, 4 are remaining, 4 of plus. So we have to don't do anything. 4 plus 0, this will 4, right? Nothing given, nothing taken. Now this is minus, this is plus, so this is smaller, this is bigger. There 9 minus 8, 1 minus 1, we are left with minus 1. So this is 0, we have minus 1. 0 is bigger, we have to make it bigger. 10, we have minus 1, 10 minus 1 9, right? Now we have given 1, so 1 will be added in the minus. 9 plus 1 10, 10 minus 10 plus 3, do it here. Minus 10 plus 3, we will left with minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7, minus 7 plus 7, 7 minus 7 0, right? Nothing given, nothing taken. Now minus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 1, minus 1, 6 minus 1 5. You can do it in just one step, or you have not understood this, then those who have not understand this, they can do this way. 67, they have to do first 67.0 13.85, they have to do first plus addition of the numbers carrying plus. 5 8 7 plus 3 10 6 plus 7 8 80.85, then they have to do minus, right? 80.85 minus 29.904 minus, make it like decimal by putting 0, right? Now 4 plus 6 10, 1 is added here. 5 plus minus 5 bigger than minus 1, 5 minus 1 4, right? Now smaller bigger smaller, make it this bigger by putting 1. 9 plus 9 18, now this one will be added here. 9 plus 1 10, 10 minus 10 minus 10 0, here 1 we have given 1, that will be added in next step. 2 plus 1 3, 8 minus 3. Either you can do this way or you can do by this way, right? Choice is your. This is simple, you can do easily, use your mind. Now we will move on to the second question. I am going to solve all the 6 parts here for your convenience. 16.753 plus 4.06 minus 13.89, right? So again we will do it in just one step. This is of 4.06 13.89, put decimal under decimal, then you are okay. Now make it like decimals 0 0 0. This is of plus, this is of minus, right? Now 0 minus 0, the 3 plus, we will get 3, nothing given, nothing taken. Now this is plus, this is minus. 9 minus 6 3, bigger is minus, so minus 3. 5 is bigger, no problem. 5 minus 3 2, right? Nothing given, taken. Now this is minus 8, this is 0, no problem. Minus 8, this is 7, here problem, this is smaller, this is bigger, we have to make 7 bigger by making it 17. 17 minus 8 9, right? We have given 1, that is added here. 3 plus 1 4, here also plus 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4 0, 0 plus 6 6, right? 1 plus 1 minus 0. You can do it in just one step, or you can do by adding first the positive numbers, make it 3 6 plus 5 11, 7 plus 1 8, 16 plus 4 20, right? Now subtract this 20, you have to do in 2 steps. Here make it like decimal 0, 3 minus 0 3, 9, make it bigger, make 1 bigger. How much we have given? 2, 1 here, 8 plus 1 9, 18, make it bigger. 18 minus 9 9, 1 here, 3 plus 4 bigger, we have to give or you can simply subtract from 20, 13 plus 13 plus 1 14 minus 20, 20 minus 14 6. So answer is same, right? If you understood this method in your this class, you are not having problem in competitive exams. Now part third, 1 minus 10.5 plus 1 2 2 1 3. In this bigger number is 3, number with 3 decimal places, so we can put it here. 10.5 1 make like decimals by putting 0, right? This is of plus, this is of minus, this is of plus, right? Here you can also put 0. 3, no problem. Problem is here, this is bigger, this is smaller, make it bigger by putting 1. How much we have given? 7, right? Now we have, as we have given, this will added in the minus side, minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus minus 0 0 plus 2. Here we are going to get 2, 1 minus 1 0. This is the shortcut way, or you can do this way. First add 12 2 1 3 numbers with plus, make it like 3 1 2 12 plus 1 13. Now subtract this one from this number carrying minus, from this 3 1 smaller bigger, make it bigger. 12, how much we have given? 7. Now small, this will become 10 plus 1 11, 13 minus 11 2. Answer will be same, right students? Now part 4, part 4 is 81 minus 15.68 minus 4.2. It is already set, as 81 is bigger, we are going to 2 decimal places maximum, we are going to put 2 zeros here. This is 15.68, this is 4.20. You can put 0 here, or these are both minus, right? Now minus bigger plus smaller, make it bigger. 10 minus 8 2, yeah, 8 plus 2 10. Here small minus, we have given it, it will add in minus. 2 plus 1 3, 6 plus 3 9, minus, make it 10, 10 minus 9 1, right? Here also it will add it in minus. 4 plus 1 5, 15 plus 5 20. 20 we can directly minus 81 minus 20 61. No need to panic. Now here you have to add 81 minus 15.68 plus 4. You can do it this way. Now 15.68, add them, 4.20 0, 8, 6 plus 2 8, 15 plus, right? So this has become 18 minus 19.88. Now 18.00, 19.88 minus smaller bigger, make it bigger by putting 10, 10 minus 8 2, smaller bigger, this will add it on this. 8 plus 1 9, 10 minus 9 1, 10. So 19 plus 1 20, 81 minus 20 60. You have to take these steps, or only in one step. Right students, no need to panic. I have done both the methods in each part of this question. You can do easily. Now 555 minus 55.5 minus 5.555. This is bigger, already set, so we can put maximum places 3. 1 2 3. 55.5, make them 3. 5.555 minus 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 minus. Right, you can also put zeros here to make them 3. Now 5 minus 10 plus smaller, make it bigger by how much we have added? 5. We have to add 5. This one will be added here. 5 plus 1 6, again 10 4. Right, this will added here 6 plus 1. Now this is here added here 6 plus 5 11. Number bigger with immediate 0 than 11 is 20. How we have to add in 11 to make it 29? Again this is here 2 is added here. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 5 12. 12 number bigger than 12 with unit place 5 25. How much we have given? We have to give 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 5 12. 12 are here, 25 are here. How I have given? 13. Right, 3. Now these two, 5 plus 2 7, 15, and 3 from here we have given 13. Right, 13. 2 from here, 5 plus 2 7, 1 from understand or not? 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12. Right, 12, sorry, here we are going to 15. Right, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12. We have to make 15 of 12 3. 12 plus 3 15. 1. 5 plus 1 6, bigger. 6 plus 9 15. Minus 1 5, minus 1 4. Right, or you have to do this in this way. 555 minus 55 plus 5 plus 555. So we will do addition here first. 1 2 3, 5.555, add 555, decimal below decimal, 5 plus 5 10 6. Right, now we have to subtract this 60.555 in this way. 555.000, 60.555. make it also like by putting 0 here. You can do it easily. 10, 5 plus 5 10. Here also 10. 5 plus 6 4. Here also 10. Right, 10 minus 5 5. 10 minus 6 4. Here also 6. but we have not done it here. 55 point, oh sorry, here we have to put 5, so here 0 5 plus 5 10, 5 5 10 plus 1 11, here is 61, so that's why I was in confusion. Here 0, here 0. Now 10 minus 5, 10 minus 6 4, here this one will be added, 10 minus 1 9, here this one, here 1 plus 1 2, 5, 1 plus 1 2, 5 minus 2 3, right, nothing given taken. Now 6 is bigger, it is smaller, we have to make it 15, 6 plus 9, here 1, here 5 minus 1 4, right students, do it carefully. One digit can harm you, one wrong digit can harm you, so do it carefully. Now 6th, 100 minus 32.5 minus 46.74 minus 12.925, all are minus, no problem. So 100 is bigger, we will put it here. Maximum decimal places as 3, we will put 3 decimal places here. 32.5, make it 46.740, 0 12.925. Now all are minus, you can do easily. Now 5 10, 5, here also 10, sorry, 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 7, 10, 7 plus 3 10. Now this one will be added in here, 9 plus 1 10, 17 22, so minus 22, we will make it 30, 30 minus 22, 8 are left, right, 3 plus 2 5 plus 6 11 plus 2 13, 13, here 20, how we have to add 7. Now 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 minus 10 0, so here 7.835 is our answer, or you can do it in this way, 32.5 plus 46.74 minus 12 plus 12.925, so add them. First 32.5, 46.74, put a 0 here, and 12.925, put also zeros here to make them 3, add them. 5, 4 plus 2 6, 9 plus 7, 16 plus 5, 16 plus 5 21, 1 2 2 to 4 plus 6 10 plus 2 12, 1 3 plus 1 4 4 8 plus 1 9. We have to now minus 100 minus 92165, 100, 3 decimal places are here, so we will put minus, right, here 10, 5, here 10, this one is added here, 6 plus 1 7, 10 minus 7 3, 1 is added here 2, here 10, 10 minus 2 8, 1 is added here 93, 100 minus 93 07, answer are same. So these were the questions, you can do it one step or multiple steps, right. If you can learn this is very good, you will face no problem in it. Here we have to do 2 or 3 steps, you may get confused. Right students, this was our exercise 4th B. If you have understood this well, then please like, share and make our channel subscribe to your other friends, students, so that they could also be helped. Right, your subscription is our energy. Your subscription, like, shares or comments are our energy. If you have any difficulty, you can ask in the comment section of our video, our channel. In the next video we will do next exercise. Till then, goodbye. Thanks. Keep preparing.